Okay, so dear student, as you all know that we have already completed our NCERT portion, and today we are going to do question bank, which will be related to RS Agrawal question and as well as RD Sharma also. Okay, it is mandatory to everyone to note down the question and then solution you will do. Okay, questions are compulsory to note it down on your fair copy. So the first question which I am giving you is find the product of AI. You write it down the full form, that is additive inverse. Okay? So find the product of additive inverse of -15 to MI. Multiplicative inverse of -15/8. Very simple question which only needs the basic concept of AI and MI, which is already taught by me. Okay. So as you all know, beta AI means additive inverse, the number with only the opposite sign. Okay, the position will not change. The position changes in MI, that is multiplicative inverse. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. We don't change the sign in MI, but in AI, that is additive inverse, we only change the sign, we don't change the position. So if your question is telling find the product, so before finding the product, first we will take it out AI of -15, which will give you +15, then MI, that is multiplicative inverse of -15/8, which will be numerator changes into denominator, denominator changes into numerator, sign will remain constant or it will not change. So 8 will remain like here, 15 will come down. So now this will be the correct position of -15/8, it will be now -8/15. Now your question says you have to find the product. Now what is the product? Product means the result of multiplication. So what we will do now? According to question ATQ, according to question, what we will do now? 15 multiply by -8/15. Now 15 got cancelled and you have the answer only -8. Done. Now, as you all can see, the question was find the sum of MI of -15/11 and the reciprocal of 22/-7. As you all are knowing that MI and reciprocal don't have any difference. Both are same. Like reciprocal का ही other name क्या होता है? Multiplicative inverse. So we have to do the same thing in this. Previous question में भी हमने अभी देखा. Numerator changes into denominator, denominator changes into numerator, and sign will remain unchanged. ठीक है? Sign will not change. So what will you do? First we will be solving these two. So here we will write it down MI of -15/11, which will give you -11/15. Then you will be solving reciprocal also. So it is telling reciprocal of 22/-7, which will give you -7/22. Okay, because according to standard form, we don't write negative sign in denominator. ठीक है? तो ये वाला sign कहाँ आ गया बेटा? ऊपर आ गया. Now we have got both the numbers. ठीक है? Now we will write it down ATQ according to question. Now here we have to find out the sum. Sum means the result of addition. So what we will do now? -11/15 plus -7/22. Now you just need to add these two. नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. The process of नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. Please find the sum of these two. Always remember, when you have been given two numbers and you have to check that the numbers are reciprocal of each other, so what you need to do, you have to just find their product. If the product is coming 1, they are reciprocal of each other, or you can also call it that they are multiplicative inverse of each other. And same process, if you have two numbers and you have to check that whether they are additive inverse of each other or not. So in that case, you will just add those numbers which are given to you. If their sum is coming 0, it means they are additive inverse of each other. Okay, I hope it is understood to everyone, this question. So the question was, find the AI of MI of this. Beta, this question you will find in RS Agarwal also, sorry, COMET also, and even in RS Agarwal as well. Remember, this is one of the most important questions. And remember, you will not start this question from here. Otherwise, your answer will come different. What you have to do, you have to just start by this, because the question is depending on this particular statement. तो पहले हम शुरुआत करेंगे यहाँ से. First, we will solve the bracket. This is minus 7 upon 49 into 35 upon 42. सबसे पहले you are knowing that 7 5s are 7 6s are. ठीक है? Now it will not cancel. Will it cancel? Not from anywhere it is cancelled. ठीक है? Now you have to just multiply. After multiply, what you are getting? Minus 35 and यहाँ पर 49 into 6. What you were getting earlier?
Ma'am, 294.
294 is coming. Minus 35 upon 294. Now this you are getting as this, only this one. Now the question has converted into the AI of MI of minus 35 upon 294. Now this is your question. ठीक है? Now what will you do? इसको छोड़ दो. Now this one only. MI of this one. MI of this one. How will you do it? MI of this one, because you are knowing MI means only the changing of positions. So the number will become 294 upon 35. Now ये आपने solve कर लिया. Now the question has become AI of this. ठीक है? And now AI means only just changing of sign. So the answer will become 294 upon 35. Finished. Yes. Students, after solving this one, I have cancelled it by 7. So when I will cut it by 7, it will give you 42. This will give you 5. So answer will be coming 42 by 5 after simplifying this one.